Hello, this is Nigel at Spiritual Renaissance New Zealand, and I am making this short video just to introduce what I want to say and what I want to point out. Now, there is an article that has just been published which states that the stratosphere near the Antarctica has been heated, and so as a result of that, air from the Antarctica is being allowed to escape and move up toward New Zealand, which is basically fueling a new batch of cold weather for New Zealand, or AKA, also known as winter. And we are going to have more cold weather as a result, and possibly what we're talking about is September and October. Now, at the risk of being called a conspiracy theorist, which is just an insult, I am going to provide a video which is about HAARP, and more specifically about how the ionosphere is heated using man-made means, if you like. And this is all documented and scientifically proven to be possible now. In fact, there is very little that they cannot do when it comes to heating the atmosphere with the technology that they have now. Who is they? The scientists, the people who are in a position to be able to do that. Now, along comes this article, this publication, saying that the stratosphere above Antarctica, or between Antarctica and New Zealand, is being heated, and the immediate consideration then is that it is being done deliberately, man-made. And I made an earlier post on Facebook about New Zealand having a non-existent winter, and I believe that is probably why they're doing this. Basically, my assumption, let's say, and it's just an assumption, but based on what we are seeing and what is happening, there has been a lot of change in the Earth's climate in the last couple of years, and part of that is natural and part of it is man-made. And the part that is natural, there is quite a bit of information out there about the solar minimum, which is the sun going into a lower radiation for a period, which means that we have a kind of mini ice age coming in that will go from right through to about from 2016, 2017, right through to about 2024. And that is going to create weather extremes because it allows more cosmic radiation through and so forth. But a lot of the changes that you're seeing are a result of that, and then a lot of the other changes that we see are man-made. We see intense fires caused by directed energy weapons, and it is this non-existent weather, non-existent winter that New Zealand is having that, in my opinion, these scientists are truly concerned about it, and their crazy plan has been to heat the stratosphere in the Antarctica to bring about a winter for New Zealand. And so, you know, it is what it is. It's just this is, at this moment in time, it's a theory, but certainly the information there that the stratosphere is being heated. The only question that remains is that heat being caused naturally, or is it being caused by man using ionospheric heaters? And we know the technology already exists and can be done. So it's not a long stretch from there to imagine that it is being done and that it is being used to actually create winter for New Zealand, in other words, bad weather. And my reasoning on that is that there is a great concern that if there is not enough rainfall, not enough cloud cover in New Zealand could be in a very serious situation and could be fried as being the alternative, if you like. So that's my, I guess, brief on it. You know, you can study up on this. I'm going to post a video that was by Jim Lee of climateviewer.org, and you can have a look at that. There is a patent, US patent on heating the ionosphere. You know, the information exists, it's all there, it's being done. And it is not only being done, it's the technology is moving ahead in leaps and bounds, and so that makes all of this possible. I'm going to end off now. That's all for now. So just wait there. Yep. And so thanks for your attention, and read and listen and ask questions and find out more. Thanks. Bye.